Are you looking to make money as an affiliate marketer? One of the most important aspects of this business is choosing profitable affiliate products. In this video, we will guide you through the process of selecting the right products to promote so that you can maximize your earnings. The first step in choosing profitable affiliate products is to identify your niche. Think about your target audience and the specific needs or interests they have. This will help you determine the type of products that will be most appealing to them. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to research popular products within that niche. Look for products that have a high demand and are known to convert well. You can use various online tools and platforms to gather this information. Commission rates play a crucial role in determining the profitability of an affiliate product. Look for products that offer high commission rates, as this will directly impact your earnings. However, also consider the quality and value of the product, as well as the reputation of the affiliate program. Before selecting a product, evaluate the affiliate program it belongs to. Check the program's terms and conditions, payment methods, and support provided. It's important to choose a reliable and reputable affiliate program that will support your efforts. Analyze the competition within your niche and see what products are already being promoted. While some competition is a good sign, too much competition can make it harder for you to stand out. Look for unique or untapped product opportunities. Product reviews can offer valuable insights into the profitability of an affiliate product. Read reviews from both customers and affiliate marketers to understand the product's strengths and weaknesses. This will help you make an informed decision. Choosing profitable affiliate products is a key strategy for success in affiliate marketing. By identifying your niche, researching popular products, considering commission rates, evaluating affiliate programs, analyzing competition, and reviewing products, you can make informed decisions that will maximize your earnings. Start applying these strategies today and watch your affiliate marketing business grow.